Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. In this video I am going to show you we can delete any files in two ways. In computer we can delete any file in two ways. The one way is temporary delete and the second way is permanent delete. Temporary delete and permanent delete in together I'll show in four ways. Two ways will be the simple as usual ways and the other two ways will be the simple shortcut ways. Shortcut keyboard key will be using. So before starting the video, let me show you my recycle bin. As you can see, my recycle bin is empty, so which means there are no files and things there. So now let me begin my deletion of first kind. So first type is temporarily delete. So temporary delete can be done in two ways, and first way is suppose if you want to delete this particular image, you just right click on it and you will get here delete option. So you just click on it. If you click on delete, this particular image is being deleted from this particular folder. But if you go to recycle bin, so as you can see that particular image is been moved to recycle bin. So which means it is temporarily deleted from the hard disk, which means from one file it has been deleted but it is stored in recycle bin, so it is not permanently deleted. Let me show you the shortcut way of deleting temporarily. So if you want to delete this particular image temporarily, you just click on that image and then you have see here delete button in keyboard. So you can press delete key, and if you press delete key, so if you press delete key, that particular file will be deleted from this folder, but it will be there in the recycle bin. Now let me show you. As you can see that deleted, since I have deleted this one now just now, so this file or image has been moved to recycle bin, which means it is temporarily deleted. So now let me demonstrate the permanent delete. So in order to delete permanently, so what you can do is one way, you just click on it, right click on it on any file or image if you want to delete, and go to delete and just delete. You can say no, this is the temporary delete, but no, let me show you. Here you have deleted, but now go to recycle bin. Since I have deleted this folder, you just right click on it, and then from here if you delete, and now here it says are you sure want to permanently delete this file. So if you click on yes now, which means this image is been permanently deleted. So in this way you can permanently delete, but this is a usual method. So let me show you the shortcut method. So shortcut method includes, so if you want to suppose delete this permanently, what you can do is you just click on it and press shift key on the keyboard and then press delete key on the keyboard. So the same what you were saying just now before, the same thing it is showing, are you sure want to permanently delete this file. So if you click on it, so as you can see the file has been permanently deleted. This is the shortcut way of permanently deleting any file. As you have seen, we don't need it, the two steps to delete permanently, since we have did for earlier usual step where we first deleted from the file and then we went to recycle bin, and then from there we deleted permanently. So in this way we can delete the files temporarily and permanently. So thank you for watching.